are in Austin, Texas.
It ain't his first rodeo, that's for sure. Are you seeing this house? There we go, look at us.
Babe, you excited to be here or what? Yeah. Wow.
What does the bridge even say? I didn't even read it. Ninja style.
Ninja style, kung fu grip, toe flap. All right, guys. And our first stop is the Domain.
Should I go up here?
Yeah.
The history behind this thing.
How big it is.
The rarest crane species in the world. It's also the tallest bird in North America. Is this a real life? No way. If a bird is ever that big, like, kill me. That is so
If we ever see it, yeah. The mall is beautiful.
It is.
What's up, beautiful?
Hi.
I love palm trees. They're so beautiful.
They're so beautiful.
Guys, the Domain in Austin, beautiful place.
Gorgeous, you have to come.
Gorgeous.
Oh my god, that looks awesome down there.
Alright guys, now we're at Zilker Park.
Zilker Park.
Do a little turn here. It's a great place to just like bring a dog or something. Like, I want a dog so badly, babe.
Yeah, I know. We're trying to get to the point where we can see the skyline, and it is so beautiful.
So we're up on this hill, and we did so to get this view right here.
All for this view.
All for this view. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Did I find out what I need?
So pretty.
So pretty.
I can't break you.
That's just the perfect view.
It is literally perfect. Oh my god.
Once I find out how I bleed.
This makes me like love Austin even more. We've never been to this park before, but it seems to be like the hangout spot. You guys are probably like, duh, Zilker Park. There's so many doggies. Oh my god. Oh.
I straight up thought that was
Me
about to
too,
attack.
me too. There's so many dogs. Everyone's just like chilling. It's really nice. I
Oh,
like
that kid
it.
doesn't know what to do.
Oh, poor baby. Right? It's just like in the hills, all these nice houses. Like, look at that.
Some are really nice, some are not.
They're like modern, but it's just weird. Because they're next to like run down ones, you know?
Nice.
Wow. Wow, guys. Oh my god, this house is freaking gorgeous. Are you seeing this house? It's gorgeous. I can definitely see what people are saying about like keep Austin weird, or that's just like what Austin is known for, being like a quirky city. It's definitely different and colorful and like artistic, I guess you could say. Right now we're going to Rainey Street. I think it's just like a bunch of like little food trucks, and it's just like a really cute street. That was scary. I don't know.
These guys are speeding.
But everywhere you go, you just see like food trucks, I swear.
Won't you take me up? And it was another dance that sent me to your apartment, and I'm not one to stop it. Afraid of.
I just made a list of a bunch of the places we should go to here in Austin just to check it out, because the last times we came I feel like we didn't do that much. So now we're at Rainey Street, which is like a bunch of little shops and coffee and like food trucks and cool murals and stuff like that.
Before I know how it started, I can't see your heart.
The vibes here are like impeccable. I don't know,
Yeah.
like I can't even explain it. Like you just feel like you're in the action.
Yeah, it's green, it's lively, it's
Yes,
just colorful.
lively, that's the word.
Yeah.
Lively.
Yeah.
Yes, it is lively. Like this little street behind us, I don't know what about it. It's just adorable.
Yeah.
Like it just makes you feel like, I don't know, happy and cheery, guys. But yeah,
Even the trees are like placed in like the right spots.
the
and stuff.
perfect places.
It's great, dude.
Yes, and the palm trees are beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love palm trees.
Yes.
All right, let's show you a little bit of this. What's this called?
Rainey Street.
Rainey Street.
In my space, something I won't do. And we know that it
Let me get some shots of you, because I never do.
had us in our ways, oh yeah.
Found a cute wall, so of course we have to
Take pictures of me.
come take pictures of Mitchell. It ain't his first rodeo, that's for sure.
Let me go. Always into one to fill me up. On nights when I can't seem to find enough. Purple laces.
While Mitch gets cash, I don't know what this is because there's no sign for it. Okay. But it's made out of storage containers. How cool is that? How quirky of Austin, huh?
Yeah. No, I like it.
Yeah, I love it. It's so cool. Okay, I think we can turn around.
Next place?
Yep, we're headed back. I don't know exactly where we're going. Maybe, should we get coffee? I'm kind of
Yeah.
tired. Like, let's
I
get
need some
coffee.
coffee.
Guys, we're going to none other than Summer Moon.
Yeah.
The OG Summer Moon, since we haven't been to the one here in Austin. Should be good, because I'm freaking tired.
Yeah, me too.
Mitch has got the coffee. Guys, we're at the original, very first Summer Moon coffee in Austin. I hope you guys can hear me through my mask.
That's why I like show you. This
Oh,
place
yeah,
is cool.
so cute.
Yeah. Just sitting up at the bar.
I like how these cups actually say Summer Moon on them. There we go, look at us. All right guys, in typical Destiny and Mitch fashion, we have to look at the nice houses here. Like, we're just gonna drive through the neighborhoods, look at the houses. We just love to do this everywhere we go, just to see like what other people are living like in these rich neighborhoods. And we are in Barton Hills. These houses don't look that different.
Pretty nice.
They look pretty nice, but you know, like I'm looking for the modern
Ooh.
houses we've been seeing. Sounds
Look
good.
at that thing. Like it has 2 porches, one upper level.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Oh, but the views are everything.
Yeah.
like-
these people have nice views. Wow.
Like we need to get to a point,
We can see it.
yeah, where we can see the view. Cause it's just like a winding road, just like up hills and hills and hills. It's amazing.
Wow.
Like kayaking down there.
Oh yeah. Oh. Wow, babe.
I know. Oh, someone just fell in the water. Yeah, they fell in. Look at them.
Did you get it?
No. He fell in the water.
Guys, this is Mount Bonnell, right? Bonnell,
Yes,
Bonnell.
Mount Bonnell, I think.
Bonnell. Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yes.
Balconies with exceptional views. Columns lined up where they barbecue. Galleries with expensive paints and atrium
way down.